friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen corn in the air fryer. So here I have a package of frozen corn, no need to defrost. Air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. Now let's open the air fryer basket, and I will open the package of frozen corn. And I will just dump the frozen corn in the air fryer. For best results, just spread it around so it's in a single layer. And I will put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 7 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the corn so it cooks more evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this corn. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked, straight from frozen. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this corn. Perfectly yellow, so crispy. Looks so good. At this point, if you'd like, you can sprinkle it with your favorite seasonings, or you can toss it with some melted butter. So add anything you like to it. And also, if you want it to be even more crunchy, you can cook it for a few extra minutes to have it like a crunchy roasted corn snack. But this is a perfect time to have it perfectly cooked with a good crispy texture, but not overly crunchy. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love corn. So good. It has amazing crispy texture, yet it's perfectly juicy on the inside, and it's so flavorful. You will love it. This is a great cooking method for frozen corn. Microwaves, that makes it soggy. Air fryer makes it crispy. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!